Hey, bro, let me open up your pants, bro. Let me dig in. Oh, look at all this forbidden chocolate. Reapers, what is good? It's your boy Laser. Using the visor back with another scary reaction video. Use all this scary content, so I continue to deliver that for you guys. Since we're reacting to Ring doorbell footage that will send shivers up your spine. Guys, I can feel my spine fucking scared as shit right now. If you enjoy scary content and more scary videos like the feature, somebody hit the like button. You subscribe. And you turn notifications on. It takes less than a second. I also stream every night on Twitch, bro. Go check out the streams. You're fucking amazing. Let's dive straight into this video. Creepy Chronicles. Here we go, bro. Bro, we've been going crazy with the doorbell videos, bro.
In this first gripping Ring doorbell footage, a group of men invades a residential environment, systematically checking and attempting to break into parked cars under the cover of darkness.
We got the whole gang here, bro. What's about to happen, bro? What are they doing, man? Damn, so they just checking all the doors and shit? They gotta peep everything, bro. They gotta make sure they're hunting down the right shit. I see. Fuck is that guy in front of the car doing, though? He looks like he's about to hold his bladder, bro. Like, bro, have you guys ever hold your bladder so hard it starts to come out of your mouth and you start doing this? Bladder boy. What the fuck were they even trying to do, bro? Is that truck right there? Or that car? Yeah, that truck.
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a masked man silently walks onto someone's porch with a clear objective: to steal the package left outside the house.
Cam Newton type drip, bro.
His stealthy approach and intent are evident as he snatches the package and departs.
What do you steal? Bro, like, who the fuck just leaves their packages outside, bro? Like, bro, I always be at the house when I order shit. Just because people like this will steal your shit, bro. Like, people will just steal your shit, you know what I mean? Like, bro, porch pirates and shit will just steal your shit. Where's this boy going, bro? Damn, bro, what did he even steal? Like, I don't know what he stole. He's about to throw. Bro, no way he took a fucking package and just decided to throw it. Oh no, he threw like the actual wrap away. I thought he just took the package just to throw it in like the recycle bin and then made the owners find it, bro.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a young lady is seen in front of someone's door, pressing the doorbell and standing with a look of confusion. Her actions raise immediate questions about her intentions and the reasons behind her demeanor.
She on some heavy shit or something?
Hi, you are currently being recorded. Hi, can I talk to somebody?
Oh, she's fucking on some shit, bro. She's on some shit. She looks like a high schooler, bro. She's clearly on some shit. She probably took fucking she probably took some heroin, bro. And then you guys ever take heroin, bro? And then you take the needle, bro. You put it in your cheek like and then you take the heroin needle, bro. And then you put it up the penis hole. Me too, bro. Every night, bro. I always inject shit into me. Don't do heroin, kids.
Hi. I don't know who to really talk to here.
She's clearly on some shit, though. She don't know what the fuck she's doing. She's on some shit.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught at night attempting to break into a house. He cautiously peeks around, seemingly searching for alternative access points. Eventually, he shifts his focus to items left outside the house, opting to pick them up instead.
Oh, yeah? What's going on here, bro? What's going on here, man? Damn, just dipped like that? I thought he was gonna fall for a second, bro. Yeah, bro, those videos of them falling after they steal the shit is always the best. It's funny as hell.
In this chilling Ring doorbell footage, a masked man forcefully breaks into an apartment, proceeding to steal valuable items he discovers inside. With calculated precision, he surveys the surroundings to ensure no one is watching before making his escape.
Huh? What's going on here? I don't even know what he's stealing. Bro, it looks like he just took a massive shit, bro. He looks like he just shit his pants. He's walking like he shit his pants. Hey, bro, let me open up your pants, bro. Let me dig in. Oh, look at all this forbidden chocolate. Forbidden chum from the chum bucket.
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured executing a calculated break-in, making his way into someone's house.
Oh, you're doing a heist?
The house owner returns and quickly senses that something is amiss, immediately realizing that unauthorized access has occurred.
Wait, what? What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? He looked like he was just peeking in. Oh, he's got a dog? Or is that the owner of the house? Wait, I'm confused. I'm so lost right now. What just happened? I'm so lost. Look at the kitty dogs. Bro, I want those kind of dogs so bad, bro. I love those dogs with the big bodies and this, and like the mini legs are so cute, bro. I feel kind of bad for them too. I wonder if that hurts them, like those type of dog breeds. I wonder if that the way they're shaped, you know. They get tired easier, I know that. But they're so fucking cute, bro.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady accesses someone's porch, where bikes and scooters are parked. With a calculated survey, she decides to seize the opportunity and departs with the scooter.
Wait, what? Thing froze for a second. Oh yeah, nice frames, bro. More frames than inches for yo. Bro, like, when will people learn to put chains on your fucking bikes, bro? If you're gonna keep them outside, literally put fucking locks on them. The fuck? Like, attach a lock to the fucking balcony. You're just asking for your bro, I literally had a bike stolen from me when I was a little kid, bro. Dead serious, by the way. I had a bike stolen.
In this bold Ring doorbell footage, we are confronted with a daring act that takes place in broad daylight.
Ooh.
A man is seen breaking into a vehicle through the window, confidently searching for valuables inside.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What's he stealing, bro? Some dildos?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, two ladies, both dressed in red, make multiple attempts to gain entry into someone's house.
Hey, baby. Wait, I'm gonna make sure.
Their persistence raises immediate questions about their intentions and the reasons behind their repeated efforts.
Baby, come back. I have red too. World Series champs 2007. Is she a Red Sox fan? I'm a Red Sox fan too, bro. You can't see the logo, but it's the unofficial Red Sox jersey. So it looks like we're the fans of the same team, bro.
In this shocking Ring doorbell footage, a man armed with swords gains access to someone's front door. With unwavering confidence, he proceeds to collect all valuable items that are left outside the house.
Oh, yeah? What's going on, bro? What's he doing, man? Is Boy the Milk Boy or some shit? Bro, do milk boys still exist? Like, do you still have people on bikes that deliver milk? Like, I'm being dead serious, honest question. Do milk boys still exist? Same with newspaper boys, whatever the fuck they're called. Mail boys? I forgot their names. I don't know. Speaking of milk, bro, I'm actually thirsty for some milk now, bro. Can someone squeeze their titty milk for me, please? Please give me some sour milk, bro.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a woman is seen pressing the doorbell and initiating a conversation by introducing herself as a neighbor who lives across the street.
Ugh, she got a creepy
She
face,
proceeds
bro.
to express concerns about the standards of someone else's property.
She looks like a killer, bro. With that face, she looks like a fucking killer.
Hello?
Hi, baby.
Hi, I'm the neighbor.
Hi.
Across the street. I noticed that your grass is not standard.
Hi, baby.
I don't know what it is, but we have a very. It's not like a rule like an HOA, but everyone on the block has that they use. I know you came in because I just watched you with your. I watched you come in from the store. Hello. I just.
What's going on, bro?
I'd like to let you know about the grass. I brought some of my own. It's on the ground.
You brought grass? You mean forbidden? The forbidden one, the weed? Ah, let me smoke some.
To you, I can slide it on the floor if you want. I just want you to know what kind it is.
I got an H, bro. I'm dying.
Okay, well, you know what? I don't have a lot to do today.
You
so
stupid bitch. You gave me laced weed.
I can hang here if you want. If you want me to.
In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a man gains unauthorized access to someone's property by stealing both a scooter and a bike that were parked in front of the house.
Why though? Like, why scooters,
His
bro?
boldness and opportunistic approach
like
are
some
evident
nice
as
kid.
he makes off with the stolen items.
Wait, what's going on here? I'm lost, bro. What's going on? What's going on, man? So he just dipping like that? Boy just decided I'm gonna dip like that. Stole the bikes, bro. That's it. He gone. He gone, bro. He gone in a heartbeat. Well, guys, this was this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. That was some scary shit. I was absolutely shook. If you guys enjoyed scary content, you're scary like the future, you guys know what to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Extra large money.